today, and this rock here is the perfect tool for that job. Oh my gosh, Slammer! That was the best shot I've ever seen. Now, what you just witnessed is nothing we actually had to train Slammer to do. It is instinct, and she hatched out of her own egg with all... Now this beautiful bird here, his name is Giri Giri. That actually means very red, which is very suited for the red-tailed black cockatoo. Now hollow logs are incredibly...
make the elephant work to be able to get the tip the barrel up on the spot, get their tongue, their trunk down too, and pick up and move around and play with and get their, a bit like the kids, isn't it? A bit like the kids. Yeah, you guys do that, don't you? No.
I stay inside all the time.
And the reason they're doing that is both to keep the
The stairs are with the elevator.
When chasing prey or evading a predator. If you listen closely, you can even hear Pepper take a really quick breath of air every time he breaches the surface of the water, and that allows him to maintain that top speed. Nice work, Pep. Now seals, they're great predators in our oceans, but there is another one out there that's often misunderstood, and it's a really important one for a healthy ecosystem.
energy and they get dehydrated easily. So they do reserve all their activity for nighttime or very early morning or late afternoon. Now, one of my favourite facts about koalas is that they're not actually born with the ability to eat eucalyptus leaf. So there's this really weird stage in life at about 5 or 6 months of age where a koala joey has to eat mum's special homemade poo. Now, I know that sounds gross, but this poo is special. It's called pap, and it's a liquid green feces. Now, I can tell you from experience, it looks disgusting, it smells disgusting, but it is really important. So this pap contains special bacteria in it that the mother knows there is about 800 species of eucalyptus leaf. Koalas only eat about 30 to 40. Of 30 to 40, they'll only eat what's native to the area that individual koala is from. So koalas up in southeast Queensland, they won't eat the same as koalas in Sydney or Victoria, Kangaroo Island. If they don't want to participate, they don't have to. So us pulling them off the tree and handing them around, they're not making that choice, we're making that for them. So when we're moving forward with all zoos in general, it's best to be observing this amazing species in there.
어?